Hello there pretty faces, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Gillian, and on this channel I do everything beauty, travel, fashion and lifestyle, and just to keep you entertained. Yes! Be sure to follow me on my social media if you're not already, so you can stay up to date with everything that's going on, and so you're not, I don't know, so you can just stay up to date. So today I will try and recreate Miss Brittany O'Grady's look from Star. Guys, if you did not watch Star, the season finale, you missed out. You missed out. So she's well known as Simone Davis, as Star's sister. It's gonna be challenging, but I'm gonna try and recreate her look because man, did she kill those bangs and that high bun. I loved that look. I'll be putting the look here so you can see what I'm trying to recreate, and like I said, it'll be a challenge. I'm doing this on camera, so I didn't pre-rehearse, whatever, do this. It's just gonna be like bah, all up in your face. So I'm done talking, let's get into this. So, if you guys know, Simone has super thick eyebrows, natural eyebrows, so I just tried to recreate that. I will be using my MAC, the eyebrow pencil in dark brown. So I'm just starting to shape my eyebrows, and I will be overdrawing them a bit just to get that full thick eyebrow look that I want to achieve as Simone Davis's look. To blend in my eyebrows, I go in with my Essence Make Me Brow Gel. This is amazing and it's not expensive. Brows are done, we're going in for the eyeshadow. I'll be using the Do Your Squat palette from RealHer. Just for the base, I'll go in with this is kind of like a maroon purplish color. Just a bit of color because I feel like I always do something brown, so I just wanted a bit of color to make my eyes pop a bit. So I'm going in with this, it's a dark purple, so it's kind of giving you like a purple brownish look, but at the end it comes out like super light, and that's what I like, so I'm going in with that color. Going in with the brown to give it an HD effect on my crease, and then just blending it in, make sure everything is blended out. Right now I'm just going in with my brush to make sure that everything is blended in and that I'm liking the final look. I'm going in with my base color so that I am able to darken my lower lid. And you guys know, gotta do some corners. So in the corner, gonna put some shimmer there. And also you gotta highlight that brow bone. Going in with my Cover Fix shimmer, eyeshadow shimmer. I love the shimmer, a little goes a long way. And then we're gonna wing that eyeliner. Wing it. So I'm winging it, as you can see. I'm going with my eyeliner because I will be putting false lashes on, so eyeliner for now is my best bet. Going in with my eyebrow pencil. I feel like Simone's eyes are always so defined on Star, so I'm trying to define it, but it's never over defined. Like her looks are always so natural. And that's what I like about it. And you guys know I love my Ardell lashes, so going in with my Ardell lashes. And to finish off my eyes, going in with my Tarte tartiest mascara. This is a bomb mascara. Everybody needs this mascara. To prime my face, Dr. Brandt Blurring Primer. This is absolutely the best primer for especially now when you know, like, it's getting hot and you don't want your makeup to be too shining. This is the best primer that I could recommend for you guys. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth it. Going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer. This is in the color Almond. You guys know that I don't usually conceal under my eyes, but in this look, it looks like Simone really highlighted. So what I'm doing is I'm highlighting my eyes, concealing my eyes before I put foundation on. I'm mixing my two colors from Makeupforever foundation. The reason why is because the one color is too dark and the other one is too light, and together they give me actually a great finish. So as you can see, I'm just packing on the foundation on top of my concealed eyes or my highlighting. So I first highlighted and now I'm just putting the foundation on. I actually like the way that this turned out because it's giving me that flawless glow without me having to put concealer on top of my foundation. So it's kind of like me skipping a step instead of like putting foundation all over my face and then putting concealer on. This is like just putting concealer when needed or where I needed the highlighting the most, and then I'm putting in the foundation just to give me that nice finished flawless look. And this is why I love Makeupforever HD. They are amazing. Their foundation is amazing. To kind of seal the look, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. We are all about that contouring. I'm going in with my Cosmetics Sculpting palette to give me a more defined cheekbone. Not too much, guys. You guys know I don't do this highlight and contouring, but again, I'm trying to achieve Simone Davis's look, and I feel like her cheeks are so, like her cheekbones are so defined. So you know what they say, fake it till you make it. And for those red cheeks, going in with my OFRA blush. I love OFRA, the blush, especially this blush. It's giving me that rosy red cheeks. Highlighter, this is the first time I'm using this highlighter, Wet n Wild highlighter. And woo, look at that. Let it glow, let it glow. I'm loving this highlighter. For a drugstore product, it's actually good. For my lips, I'm going in with my Essence lip liner. I feel like I'm not a big Essence user, but I feel like most of Essence products that I've used have never let me down, and I love the way that this lip liner just glides on my lips. Going in with my Bellapiere lip palette and mixing the two colors. The reason why I mixed it is I wanted a nude pink look, but with the two colors combined, it gave me exactly the best of both. Going in with my Shop Miss A AOA Studio Lipgloss. This is more of a shimmer to give me that shimmer to make my lips pop a bit. Yes, girl. Yes. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I really try my best to snatch it like Brittany O'Grady, and also known as Simone Davis from Star. So while we wait for the next season on Star, I'll just snatched up in here. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.